Hello friends, welcome to abhianvitutorials. So I am thinking to start a new weekend batch for DAX only training in Power BI. So I am thinking to cover all this DAX syllabus in 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Okay, Saturday 6 hours and Sunday 6 hours. If anybody interested, please let me know. My email address is abhianvitutorials@gmail.com. So I will cover all DAX syllabus like test functions, logical functions, date and time functions, filter functions, math and statistical, and time intelligence functions. Okay, guys. Only 2 days, Saturday and Sunday. Saturday 6 hours and Sunday 6 hours. Also, I have real-time DAX talks. Okay, so I have taken from Stack Overflow where I solved some issues and all. So each topic we can take a problem and a real-time problem and we can solve. Okay, guys. So if you are interested, let me know by email abhianvitutorials@gmail.com. Then we can start for weekend batch. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.